All right, so tonight we will have the PEMDAS or what we call GEMDAS. Okay, the difference lang between PEMDAS and GEMDAS is the letter P and G, but they have the same meaning or symbols used. What is the symbol used to indicate the parenthesis and group? Or you can use parentheses or bracket like that. Okay, meaning the first operation that you're going to operate or solve is the number inside the parentheses or a bracket. Okay, then after that, you will proceed to exponent, the letter E. And then next, between multiplication and division, you will operate them from left to right. Okay? And also the addition and subtraction. All right? So let's see if you remember how to use or solve a number using the order of operation. But before that, I will give you two examples. Then the remaining examples will be answered by your own. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Which one you like to do? Oh, you want me to answer? What number you like?
7.
You want me to answer this number 7?
Mm-hmm.
Sige, let's see. If you will look at the given number 7, what are the numbers inside the parentheses? Do we have parentheses po ba in number 7?
Yes.
Yeah, so we have here and here. We can solve the first one or this one. So we will solve the numbers inside the parentheses. So this one po muna. Okay? So 11 raised to 2 means 11 times 11. What is that? 11 times 11.
11 times 11 is 111.
100?
11.
Are you sure? 11 times 11? It's near na.
100. 110?
Higher, higher.
1, 1, 1, 1,
1, 1,
1,
and
1.
1,
Oh,
1.
wait, 120. No, 121.
Very good. 121. So 11 times 11 is equivalent to 121. Let's write the value of that number. 121 minus 21. What will be the answer? 100, right?
Oh, yeah.
Minus 20 because we have minus 20 again. So that would be 80, right? Am I right? Okay, so meaning, Mika, this one, the first set of number inside the parentheses is equal to 80, right? How about 43 minus 32? What will be your answer for that part?
22.
Again?
Ano? Wait.
3 minus 2, 1. 4
11.
minus 3 is 1 also.
11.
So the answer is
12.
11. But we have exponent outside. So meaning the 11 will be squared or times by itself twice. But before we do that, let's rewrite the numbers remaining. 5 times 80 minus 11 squared. Am I right? Look mo. 5 times 80 minus 100. Minus 11 squared. Am I right?
400. Yeah, 400.
Why?
5, because
400 because 5 times 80,
5
right?
times 8 is, yeah,
And then, how about the minus 11 squared?
um, 11 squared, 11 times 11 is 121.
Very good. So meaning 400 will be subtracted to 121. Oh, so what will be the final answer? 400 minus
300,
121.
300,
Are you sure?
300,
Oh, let's do here. Oh,
300
400,
something.
121, 200 something. What's that? Oh, let's
Yes, I
subtract.
get water.
Ah, sure po.
Need to get water.
Sure po.
Okay. What's number?
All right. So let us subtract 400 minus 121. How will you subtract this one? 0 will borrow from 0. Then 0 again will borrow from 4. The first 0 will become 10, right? And then the
Yes.
other 0 will become 9. Why? Because if we will borrow from 4, it will become 10. But since we borrow the first 0 from 10, so it will be deducted na as 1. So it will become 9 na lang. Then 4 will become what?
4 will become 8.
Huh? 4 will become?
Oh, wait, no.
Because you borrow 9
Oh,
borrow here.
5.
Oh, why is it
Oh, wait,
increases?
no.
Nagborrow nga po. 4 will
Wait, no,
become?
3.
Yeah. You will subtract 1 lang. Alright? So, 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So, meaning the answer is 279. So, that's it. That is the answer for number 7. You get it? You get it po? Okay. So next, let's proceed to number, I will try number 5 for you. Then you will do number 1 to 3. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I will do number 5. Then you will proceed na to answer number 1 to 3. So for number 5, which one will be the first operation are we going to compute?
We're gonna do addition.
Addition. Which part?
The one with the parentheses.
All right, on the parentheses. Actually, in these numbers, the 42, 3 raised to 3, and subtract by 7, the first number that you're going to operate is the exponent. Di ba po? E is first operation before addition and subtraction. Am I right? So you will do first the exponent. So 3 raised to 3 means 3 times 3 times 3. What will be the answer? If you're going to multiply 3 times. 3 times 3?
3 times 3 is 9. 9
9.
times 3 is 27.
Alright, 27. So meaning this is 27. Right? Plus 42.
27 plus
42.
42 is 7. It's 9. Wait, no. It's 69.
69. Are you sure? 42 plus 27. Let's check. Why we operate addition first before subtraction? Because if addition and subtraction is combined in one operation, you will operate from left to right. Okay? Remember that, ha? So, 42 plus 27. What will be your answer?
69.
69. All right. 69. Minus 7. We have minus 7 pa. Minus 7. Let's deduct na.
62.
So, 62.
Two.
So, meaning, Mika, this part is 62. Alright, like that. Next, we have minus 2 times 5 plus 65. What operation are you going to do next?
You have to do, wait, 5 times 2
Alright, why?
because that's the first one. If you do like gem math, multiplication is like the top one.
Okay,
Okay.
multiplication is the first operation
Yeah.
before addition and subtraction, right? So 5
Yeah.
times 2 or 2 times 5 is 10, right? So meaning it will become 62 minus 10. Am I right? Plus 65. Next, what are you going to do na? The remaining operation is subtraction and addition na po. So meaning they can switch, right?
I have
You will follow na the operation from left to right. They can switch kasi the addition and subtraction.
Like subtraction, na?
Yes, you will do subtraction to addition because you will operate from left to right. If addition and subtraction, and also multiplication and division, if they are combined. Okay. So, 62 minus 10?
51.
62 minus 10? What is your answer?
What?
Are you sure? 62, then 10. Subtract.
I'm not positive, I'm negative.
They are both positive naman po. 62 minus
no, I'm
10.
Negative.
62 minus 10? You will subtract lang, Mika. It is not integer.
That's what I did.
What is your answer? 51?
51. 59. 58. 57. 56. 55. 54. 53.
Subtract mo, Mika. 2 minus 0 is 2, right?
5.
Then 6 minus 1 is 5. So that is 52. You will subtract lang. Okay? You confused na. What is the remaining operation? Addition.
65.
You will add lang the 65. Can you add na? Can you do that? I think we need more exercises in addition and subtraction na. Can you add this?
117.
Let's see.
Wait, no.
You will start on right to left, when you are adding.
117.
Alright, that is correct. 117. Because 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 and 5 is 11. So, 117. So, meaning, the final answer for this number is 117. Do you have any question?
Miss, I got perfect in division.
Wow, very good. Division of what?
Not
Division of? Integer? Regular division. Wow, very good. That's nice. You have to continue that, okay? Diba? You're faster multiplier and divider na. You can multiply and divide na fast as you can. Alright? You can try na. From 1 to 3, which one are you going to try? Sige, you can choose one na lang.
I would do 1.
Sige po. You can do number 1 na.
31 minus 29.
I'll show your solution, ha? You will do this one first. What will be your answer? I'll write your answer po on the screen.
51. Okay.
Oh, it's baliktad. You will write 31 first before 29.
Baliktad.
Yeah, like that. Because 29 is not enough to subtract 31, right? Very. Huh? Is it 10 ba? 1 plus 10.
No. Wait, no.
You will add 10 to the digit. And that is 1. So 1
It's
plus
11.
10. Yeah, that's 11. It
Oh
changed na. So 1 will become 11. And 3 will become 2. Alright? You can subtract na. 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9 is?
2.
2. Or 2 minus 2?
0.
0. What is your answer?
0, 2.
0, 2, or 2. You can put 2 na. Here.
Okay.
This one is 2. What is the remaining?
Oh yeah. I thought I was done.
Not yet. There's more pa. 35 minus 4 raised to 3 divide
4.
by 2 because your answer on the parenthesis is 2. So which one are you going to do next?
Division.
Are you sure? Look at the given. Look at the remaining operation.
Oh wait, no, it's subtraction.
Are you sure? You forgot something.
Wait, no, I have to do the national.
The exponent. The exponent. What are you going to do that? To that part?
It's
4.
national.
Yeah? 4 raised to 3. What do you mean by that? 4 times 4 times 4.
Times 4.
You multiply.
Let me check.
Do that. 16 times 4.
Okay, I have paper.
What is your answer?
64.
All right, 64. So, meaning, Mika, this one is 64. What is the remaining operation?
35.
Subtraction and
2.
division. What are you going to do next? What are you going to do next? Subtraction or division?
Subtraction.
Are you sure? Look at the PEMDAS. Which one is the first one? Division or subtraction?
Oh my dolly days. It's division.
Division. What?
Oh wait, I think I know that.
You will divide this one, right? What will be your answer?
10. Wait.
Double check your answer. 64.
7.
Divide by 2. Your answer is? I will write the 35 here.
Wait. 9. Like that. Oh my gosh, wait. I cannot. Yes.
O, just divide lang. 64 divide by 2. Like that.
Oh.
How many 2
Oh.
do we have in
I
6?
should have done that a while ago.
How many 2? 6 divided by 2?
0.
Mika? 6 divided by 2.
The answer is 32.
All right, 32. So this one is 3. So 6, then bring down 4, then 2. Like that, okay? Then it becomes 0 na. So this one is 32. Now, what is the final answer? Because the
final
remaining
answer is
number na
3.
lang is 35
It's
minus
3.
32. All right,
It's
3. All right. You know na?
Yes.
You know na how to operate using the PEMDAS or GEMDAS operations?
Yes, and by the way, Smith, it might be online tomorrow.
Or you're online tomorrow? You don't have face-to-face?
It might.
It might. Okay.
It might lang.
All right. It's okay because we have a thunderstorm, no? So that you'll be safe.
Yay!
Yay! Yay ka dyan. All right. So, see you tomorrow, Mika. We will have an exercises about PEMDAS and GEMDAS tomorrow, okay? All right. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.